Eliza Bird, Child Convict by Kerry Lane, illustrated by Rachel Tonkin, pages 46 to 48. One thing Eliza never got used to was the continual heave of the ship. The storms were the worst, and many times Eliza clung to Polly, sure they'd all drown. In the Southern Ocean, with its Arctic waters, there came a storm so fierce that the waves crashed in to fill the hull where the convicts were kept. Those who weren't sick fought for upper bunks. Polly pushed Eliza and baby Charlotte up high. Day after day, they struggled. The only food they had was tossed in at them when the storm quietened for a moment. Then, suddenly, the storms ceased. Soon after, to their relief, they arrived. It was the 26th of January, 1788. It was strange to be on deck after so many weeks, and stranger still to be looking at the new land. The sky was wide and an intense blue, but the land was brown and dry. The water sparkled turquoise in the blazing sun, and there were dolphins leaping. Eliza knew it was an honour to be seeing such wonders. At that moment, she missed Tom and Jack more than ever. Weeks later, the women were allowed off the ship. The sun beat down and the blue sea glittered. Insects bit them and snakes slithered by. It was a strange, frightening land. Eliza thought often of Tom and Jack, and her heart ached. Then, one baking hot day, Eliza heard a voice that sent a pang through her. She looked up, and there, in a group of convicts shuffling by, was Jack, and next to him, Tom. Jack winked, and Tom grinned, and Eliza felt a huge smile spread across her face. Maybe everything would be all right.